Your return is much appreciated by the Coinseries channel. Request from viewer is, who is your favorite CEO and who is the best coin for you? You can also comment your opinion. Thank you to all the subscribers of our Coinseries. Who came to our channel Coinseries? You will always be info with the latest Coinseries news. Number 1, CEO Brad Garlinghouse XRP and Ripple. Number 2, CEO Grayscale SEC. Number 3, CEO JP Morgan Bitcoin. Number 4, CEO Brian Armstrong Coinbase. Please like my video and subscribe my channel. A federal judge has reportedly decided in the SEC v. Coinbase case that tokens are not securities, according to many news agencies. The future of the XRP settlement is also uncertain because of the Coinbase case. With each passing day, Ripple's potential grows. This news has stunned me. It would be helpful for the XRP community if we could go over each one separately before going on to the next. Please accept my sincere congratulations. Coinbase is allegedly using a version of the Howey algorithm, according to the Securities and Exchange Commission. On the other hand, Judge Coinbase has ruled against this assertion. Despite this new information, which the lawyer interprets as a sign that the US government is moving toward labeling cryptocurrencies as non-marketable securities, Phil is still demanding a clearer definition of securities and is dissatisfied with the SEC's claims. The involvement of Bill Morgan is encouraging. The ongoing legal struggle between Bitcoin exchanges and the Securities and Exchange Commission recently took a new turn when U.S. Judge Catherine Paul V cross-examined the regulator. For some XRP supporters, like Bill Morgan, this bodes poorly for the future of cryptocurrency as a security in the eyes of the U.S. government. In the matter of CCV Ripple, the judge is still unhappy with the SEC's comments against Coinbase, even after executing the summary judgment. More and more people are coming around to the concept that tokens by themselves do not constitute securities. With absolute surety, this can be said. But it appears that Judge Torza's comment that XRP is not a security has been influential thus far. I just wanted to make a small comment. The fact that Ripple's XRP might see a substantial surge in value if Coinbase's legal endeavor to keep XRP's price from going below $0.6 is successful is one aspect of the present cryptocurrency collapse. In the long-running court disputes, this would be a watershed moment. This failure seems to be an indication of a growing trend of unfavorable market dynamics. If XRP falls below 0.5, it can risk its support level at $0.4, which is a result of the judgment in the legal battle between Coinbase and the firm. The Ripple network and his native token, XRP, would face severe repercussions eventually. If Coinbase is victorious, then we are witnessing a watershed moment in the history of cryptocurrencies, and this ruling may establish a standard that Ripple can utilize to its benefit in the continuing legal disputes in which it is involved. Experts and investors in the field are closely monitoring the situation with Wave's XRP mate. In a tweet earlier this week, a prominent cryptocurrency analyst who goes by the handle of Crypsy outlined the potential outcomes of Coinbase's likely victory, its current legal battle, and the positive effects this victory would have on Ripple and XRP. The last 12 months have demonstrated XRP's everlasting worth. You should always look for support along a strong trend line. This persistence, which has lasted for almost 335 days, is indicative of its stability and provides insight into the confidence that investors possess in the market. Many are keeping their fingers crossed that the Coinbase court verdict would lead to a boost in the value of XRP. Speculation that this may come to fruition has the market in a frenzy. Coinbase wishes to dismiss the case on the grounds that the SEC overstepped its authority in regulating cryptocurrencies, referring to securities regulations passed many years ago. His key argument was that the SEC had overstepped its bounds in its attempt to seize power. The SEC claims that the judge's lack of knowledge of digital assets and investment relationships is the reason she did not take a firm stance against the alluring app. The judge also made her intentions known by lighting the fire, thus the conversation came to a sudden halt. This, she argued, should be seen as a compliment by both parties. Its 1-point drop to $22,000 suggests that other cryptocurrencies have given back some of the gains they made recently. Consequently, the value of the cryptocurrency market has dropped by about $1 trillion, or 1%. It would appear that the Bitcoin price chart is pointing downwards. Also, other well-known alternative cryptocurrencies are experiencing a precipitous decline in value, and Ethereum is now not trading. The outcome is that Ethereum is now worth $2,000, a significant decrease considering the current state of affairs. Exactly where it was before, Solana is still selling for roughly $100. There was a tidal surge of conjecture on Thursday due to you and the cryptocurrency Shiba. This occurred because the token burn rate increased by 24.74% for the whole Bitcoin sector. When it comes to XRP, Franklin Templeton and Ripple's CTO have reached a consensus. Claiming to have been raised by Ripple's chief technology officer, David Schwartz, Franklin Templeton International Asset Management issued a statement not long ago. The plan all along was to implement something like the way the company supports XRP. BitMEX disclosed new market data on the fourth trading day, indicating that Bitcoin ETFs are anticipated to receive net inflows close to $3 billion. Bitcoin exchange-traded funds got a net inflow of $29 billion. Evidenced by research. The three exchange-traded funds, Bitwise, BlackRock, and Bitcoin, that Fetters considers most important are not part of this figure. Think about the information that the blockchain monitoring system has made available. Bitstamp just received 20 million and 26 million XRP from an unidentified wallet address. In response to a recent statement by the global asset management business Franklin Templeton, David Schwartz, chief technology of Ripple's, has come out in support of the XRP ledger. Simmons made this comment in response to the announcement in the Bitcoin community. With this breakthrough, a significant new step has been taken. Franklin Templeton produced an impressive X post after getting the support of a well-known Ripple cryptocurrency expert. It appears from this post that the asset manager, who is responsible for assets worth more than $15 trillion, is currently open to investigating other blockchain networks. Some are concerned about XRP's reliability and its ability to tokenize assets. These issues have been raised in response to the support. A review of XRP's historical performance. The chief technologist of Ripple, David Schwartz, responded to an X report by Franklin Templeton in which the firm implied that it was investigating other cryptocurrency startups. He was responding to the essay, Schwartz, by drawing attention to XRP's possible tokenization and the trade of many assets. David Schwartz did more damage. Crypto-native assets and assets backed by physical assets are part of this category. An important Ripple player has endorsed XRP and the currency, which strengthens their authenticity. This acknowledgement has profoundly moved me. Conversely, it may indicate that the company's ability to manage various asset kinds is more clearly known. On the flip side, Bill Morgan, a lawyer who supports XRP, did acknowledge the recommendation that Ripple's chief tech officer had offered. Bill Morgan's criticism of Franklin Templeton's choice to incorporate Solana and its computations was the catalyst that caused the organization to fall. If you're looking for a trustworthy cryptocurrency, Morgan recommends XRP over Sol. It was a total washout today. Please subscribe to my channel, it would mean a lot to me. As for now, farewell.